Hi, I'm Vic, and I'm a communication coach here at Communication Across the Curriculum. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a communication appointment with our coaches. Let's get started. You can access all of our services through our website, cxc.lsu.edu. To make an appointment from the website, you can choose Schedule an Appointment from the Students drop-down menu. From here, you can choose whether you want to meet in real time or if you'd prefer to upload your project for asynchronous feedback. Real-time support can happen over Zoom or in person in one of our studio locations. Asynchronous feedback is for when you don't have time to meet with anyone, but you'd still like to submit your work and request help. Whether for real-time or asynchronous help, you'll be directed to our scheduling website. If you have never booked with CXC before, you'll begin by making an account. You'll need to choose a schedule to log into the website. In this case, we're looking to schedule a real-time appointment with a communication coach. You can also schedule studio resources or set up an asynchronous consultation by choosing those options when you log in. Clicking the login button will bring you to the one-on-one consult/real-time page. Scroll down to find the scheduling tool. Make sure you choose the appropriate service under the I want to schedule for section, because that will filter the appointments to only show coaches who will provide that service. Once you click Find Appointment, you will receive a selection of appointments that either match or are close to your preferences. To choose one, click Reserve. To reserve your appointment, fill out the questionnaire that appears in a pop-up. Filling the questionnaire out fully helps your coach prepare in advance for your meeting, so you get the most effective service. Once you filled out the questionnaire, click Create Appointment and you're done. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you at your appointment.